cracked and torn, voices of 1,000 slain, carried by the storm, chained in fire, crowned in dust, the banners fall apart. What remains of power song is silence in the dark. The chant is died, the night still burns, the world of steel will never learn. Ashes of the Warchant falling through the night, ashes of the Warchant buried out of sight, ashes of the Warchant whispers in the pit, sing no more, just burn with it, just burn with it. Once a hymn of iron, once a voice of hate, now a broken choir, drowned beneath the weight. Bones on cymbals, skulls on drums, the chorus fades to black. Only ashes on the wind, and no one's coming back. The chant has died, the sky still bleeds, the earth devours the last of needs. Ashes of the Warchant falling through the night, ashes of the Warchant buried out of sight, ashes of the Warchant whispers in the pit, sing no more, just burn with it. Cinders cry, the fire's hymn, echoes die, the void within, voices torn.